Here's what's making news on Roadshow. Manufacturers and suppliers are scrambling to be the first to provide a consumer-ready autonomous vehicle, but many of them seem to be racing towards a moving finish line. Do we want to own cars that drive themselves, shelling out for that advanced tech up front? Or do we want autonomy as a service, aka Lyft or Uber, but with less awkward conversation and overly strong air fresheners? Roadshow editor-in-chief Tim Stevens wondered that too, and digs in to find out. Manufacturer-run car-sharing services are becoming more and more popular lately, and now Volkswagen is the latest to throw its hat in the ring. The company announced that it was starting an all-electric car-sharing service in its native Germany, and hinted at the fact that it could expand the program to the US in 2020. If the program turns out to be popular, the folks in Wolfsburg will really have to up their production of the e-Golf quick, fast, and in a hurry. Tesla has altered its testing process for Model 3s that are rolling off the line in Fremont, and that has some people kind of freaked out. We talked to Tesla representatives and found that the company is currently driving every single Model 3 that comes off the line while it irons out the kinks in its manufacturing processes. So actually, the temporary elimination of its break and roll test seems pretty reasonable. Find more on these stories over at theroadshow.com, and we'll talk to you tomorrow.